Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend since April 2021 from the levels of the 2.542. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a steep upward move and tested a high today where the net gas futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of $3.820, and here I find that this week looks to be very decisive for natural gas futures because currently the OPEC plus meeting ended without any decision, which has increased the volatility in every asset market, and here I find that this fluctuation could be seen in the natural gas futures too, because here I was expecting the continuation of this uptrend about the levels of the 3.731. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures faced stiff resistance at the levels of the 3.820, from where we have seen some sell-off, and currently the natural gas futures have been trading at the levels of $3.654. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures close Tuesday above the levels of $3.731, we'll see the continuation of this uptrend, whereas a breakout above the levels of $3.821 will continue this uptrend, where the next resistance can be seen at the levels of $3.988, and a breakout above the second resistance could continue this rally. So friends, here I find that during the rest of July, the natural gas futures could try to sustain above the levels of 4. Very shortly we'll see a breakout move which could sustain above the levels of 4. Friends, here I find that the immediate support for natural gas futures is at the levels of 3.636. Friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that the natural gas futures have been currently trading at a very decisive juncture. So friends, here I find that currently the natural gas futures have finally tested this immediate support at the levels of 3.636, and the next support will be at the levels of 3.594. Friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures close today above the levels of 3.788, we will see this uptrend to continue. So friends, here I find that the volatility could be on the higher scale due to upcoming FOMC minutes on July 7. Then only we will find a sizable move in natural gas futures. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures sustain above the levels of 3.762 before the announcement of this weekly inventory, we will see a breakout move. I find that the withdrawal levels could be on the lower side. So here I would prefer to buy on dips above the levels of 3.636. So friends, here I find that shortly we will see a sharp reversal in natural gas futures today, when the natural gas futures could close today above the levels of 3.748. So friends, now let's check the current position of HMO cloud in a daily time frame. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been well maintaining in a strong position at the current level, because here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been well sustaining above the 9 days moving average, which provides a strong buying support to natural gas futures. So friends, now let us check this move in the hourly time frame. So here in the hourly time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a sharp downward move after testing a high at the levels of 3.820, from where we have seen some selling pressure. Undoubtedly, currently the natural gas futures have been trading well below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, but here the formation of this bullish candle in an hourly time frame looks evident enough for the formation of a bullish candle in an hourly time frame. Shortly, we'll see the natural gas futures to retest the levels of the 3.664. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures close today above the levels of the 3.767, we'll see the formation of a bullish candle in an hourly time frame, which will keep this uptrend intact. So friends, here the need of the hour is to keep a visual eye over the movements of natural gas futures. So here I would like to tell you that this is a live chart of natural gas futures where I'm analyzing this move. So friends, now let's check this move in a 15-minute time frame. So friends, here in a 15-minute time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been constantly trying to regain its position well above the levels of the 3.660, which is an immediate resistance for natural gas futures, where resistance move above the levels of the 3.678 will result in a sharp reversal from here. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures sustain above the levels of the 3.660, I would prefer to go long for an immediate target up to the levels of the 3.777, where the natural gas futures could find some resistance, and the second resistance will be at the levels of the 3.821 during this week. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures maintain above the levels of the 3.748, well up to the announcement of this weekly inventory. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.